Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I will answer one question from Thomas, which is a student of the complete Facebook marketing course. And he is asking specifically what is a tag on Facebook and on social media, and not only the benefits, but he wants to know exactly an example of how the tag works and how you can benefit by adding tag to your post. And I'll show you that right now. Here we are on Facebook, on Instagram and Twitter. I will show you first, Thomas, how that works on other social media, and later we will end up on Facebook so you understand exactly why it's good and is interested for you and for your audience to start using tags on your post. Basically, tag is a mark, it's an indicator that you will add to your post in order to be discovered by new people. That's the main goal of the tag. People go to social media, especially to Twitter and Instagram, and they search for tags. And when they search for specific tags, and if you are using the tag on your post, they will be able to see your post, to see your profile, and probably to start following you on the social media. For example, here we are on Twitter. If I go to Twitter and I tap pound, you see here some options. We have travel, Las Vegas, entrepreneur, real estate. You can type anything here. This is the tag that you are using. For example, if I am creating a post on Twitter or any social media about Facebook ads, I will say, okay, Facebook ads. This will be the tag that I am using, okay? So what this is good for you, because if you have an audience and your audience is on Twitter, for example, and they come here and they want to learn more about Facebook ads, users usually come here and type the tag here on the top. That's a good way to find content on social media. So let's try, for example, entrepreneurs here and see what we have. So entrepreneurs, we have here this post, and you see here, this is the post. And also we have some tags: big dreams, big dream, entrepreneur, entrepreneurs, biz owners, and women in business. The next one, we have some profiles that are using this tag. For example, the entrepreneur profile, they are using the tag. If we scroll down, we have another post here about something related with marketing, and you see here the tags: grow hacking, entrepreneurs, SEO, startups. So you have the idea now. The people are using, and you can use the tags on your post in order to use that as a tool to be discovered by new audience, people that don't know you yet. For example, I don't know this lady, Jacqueline Burns, but for some reason, because she's using the tag that I am looking for, which is entrepreneur, I am accessing and I am in front of her post right now. Same thing on Instagram. If we come here and we type pound, we can search for anything. Let's say travel, for example. So Instagram is very popular for tags. People use these tags all the time. So you see that travel, we have more than 220 million posts that use the tag travel. So if I click here, all these photos have the tag travel. Let's click on the first one, on the second one here, and take a look. So here we have a description, and here we have the tags. See, travel, explore, wanderlust, photo of the day. So that's it. If I click on photo of the day, you see I am inside one post and I am clicking in a tag. That will drive me to a new search where people can discover about me because I am using this tag. In this case, for example, photo of the day. And that's how you use it. If we go to Facebook, same thing. We can here and we type pound, and you see the top ranking tags right now. So let's see here. Let's type success, for example. So in this case, you see that we have the tags. We can see the Success magazine that they are using the tag success, and also on posts from my friends. You see here, this guy is using mindset, thinking, success, goals, all these tags. So people can discover him by searching for the tags. Same for other things, same for groups, for posts inside the groups, and to post for general people that I don't know. You see here, for example, Success Magazine, looking for more success, hashtag success. That means they are using the tag here. So that's how you can use the tags on your post. In Facebook, tags are not super popular. I want to share that on the course so you know that you have that at your disposal. So if you want to use it, you can. But if you are trying to create a presence on Instagram and Twitter, that's mandatory. You need to use tags and hashtags all the time on your posts, okay? I hope this is helpful, and I hope to see you inside the course.